I want to look now at a related area which is around account updates and authorization. So the focus here, the vulnerabilities that we're looking for, are the around state precondition and whether that is being enforced correctly. And particular red flags would be if we're using get without getAndRequireEquals, if we don't have preconditions when we're doing an account update, or there is any kind of improper validation of on-chain state. And a key question for this to help you is, does every method verify the on-chain state it depends upon? So let's look at that in a little more detail. So the main approach we want to be taking here is to verify that state preconditions are correctly enforced. And some vulnerable patterns are using get followed by some assertions instead of getAndRequireEquals. If there are preconditions that are missing for operations that depend upon state, you need to think about the sequencing of account updates. And also, is there enforcement if we have inter-contract dependencies? So here's an example piece of code where we've got at the top the vulnerable pattern. We're doing a get, but just the get. The correct way to do it is shown below, where we do a getAndRequireEquals. Now, testing this can be a little more tricky, but a way to do it is to build a modified client that tries to execute methods, but with incorrect state assumptions. And if we can still verify, despite the fact that there is a state mismatch, then that shows that the vulnerability exists. And a way to check all of this is really just to review all of the state fields to make sure that each one uses appropriate require methods rather than doing a simple get.